My name is Mrs. Curry. The purpose of this video is to help you learn how to play number 78 at Perot's Door and number 79, the half counts. Please look in your book at the top of page 22 to review two music symbols, the half note and the half rest. We've actually seen them before in our concert music. Climbing had half notes and Festival had one half rest in the very last measure of the piece. Keep in mind that a half rest, you'll notice in the picture at the top of page 22, it always sits on top of the middle line of the music staff. And it lasts 2 beats the same length as a half note. So now I'm going to teach you number 78. We're going to start by counting the rhythm with metronome on Essential Elements Interactive. Please follow along while I count, and I'm going to turn the melody off, so it's just the metronome. And they'll give us 4 clicks before we start counting. And we're going to count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, half, rest, repeat. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. I would then encourage you to say the note names in rhythm and silent finger while saying the note names. And you could continue to use the metronome so that you work on keeping a steady beat. I'm now going to pits with a backing track, and I'm going to this time have the accompaniment with the melody on. And we'll do the bow lift during the half rest. Bow lift, repeat. I would suggest in your practice routine at home that you would then shadow bow and silent finger along with the melody a few times before you do your actual recording. And now what I'm going to do is play arco with a backing track, but this time no melody. So remember, when you submit your recordings, we want to hear you playing with the metronome, but without the melody, so that we can hear you and give feedback based on your performance. So I'm going to turn the melody box off. You can choose whatever accompaniment you on. Just kidding. We're going to do it without backing, just with the metronome. All right, 4 clicks. You can, when you record yourself playing, if you would like to use an accompaniment with your recording, that is fine. We just don't with the melody on. Okay, now we're going to go through number 79, the half counts. 78 and 79 are both in the key of D major. 79 actually goes through and you'll play all the notes in the D major scale. So like we did earlier, we're going to go through and count number 79, metronome on, melody off. Four clicks before we start counting. count along, follow along. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 3. I would then suggest, like earlier, that you say your note names in rhythm with the metronome and silent finger while saying the note names with the metronome again, or silent finger with the metronome and not say your note names. The next step we're going to do is pluck, and we'll pluck with the melody on so we get used to how it should sound. The next step in your home practice, I would suggest shadow bowing and silent fingering. And now I'm going to play the melody with a backing track, but I'm going to turn the melody box off. So I'm going to play number 79 without the melody box, but I'm going to choose a backing track this time. I hope that this video helps you in learning to play number 78 and number 79. Thank you.